Cabbage is one of those vegetables many of us don't dislike but might not name in our favorites list. Cabbage is a versatile vegetable that you can eat fermented, raw, steamed, or juiced. Cabbage juice's benefits include weight loss, improved gut health, decreased inflammation, body detoxification, and balanced hormones because it is loaded with vitamin C and K. Let us go through the video to learn more about the cabbage juice benefits in detail. A lot of research supports the health benefits of different vegetables. Few studies support the positive effects of drinking cabbage juice on animals. However, there is a need for more human studies. 1. Cabbage juice reduces inflammation. The benefits of drinking cabbage juice in the morning include combating inflammation with the help of several compounds. Long-term inflammation can lead to illness and can be harmful, though short-term inflammation can be a response to acute stress. Therefore, it is essential to deal with inflammation as soon as possible. 2. Cabbage juice is good for your heart. Cabbage, especially red, has compounds called anthocyanins, which give the vegetable its vibrant color. This pigment reduces the risk of heart disease, as per many studies. In addition, there has been reduced blood pressure and risk of coronary artery disease in people with increased dietary anthocyanins intake. Therefore, consuming cabbage juice can be an excellent choice for heart health because cabbage contains more than 36 kinds of potent anthocyanins. 3. Cabbage juice fights cancer. You can protect yourself against certain cancers by consuming cabbage juice. In fact, there is a link to a 33% reduced risk of lymphoma in women with the consumption of 5 or more servings of cruciferous vegetables weekly. Cabbage juice has several unique antioxidants like isocyanate and sulfuric compounds, which protect your cells from carcinogens by preventing oxidative stress. However, there is a need for further research to verify the claim. 4. Cabbage juice prevents high cholesterol. The benefits of drinking cabbage juice include the prevention of high cholesterol, according to numerous studies. In addition, you will be able to lower LDL cholesterol levels, a destructive form of fat that can cause heart issues with the regular consumption of cabbage juice. You will also be able to improve heart health and lose weight by balancing your cholesterol levels. 5. Cabbage juice helps in lowering blood sugar levels. One of the prominent risk factors for heart disease is high blood glucose levels. It is said that red cabbage can reduce hyperglycemia because it has anti-hyperglycemic properties and antioxidants. Cabbage extracts have lowered blood sugar levels and also help control fluctuations, according to a study conducted on rats in 2008.